Well, I haven't done a video in a little while, so let's go ahead and do it to it. Beautiful fall day. It feels like summer. As you can see, the pool needs a new pool cover, which is in progress. Anyways, the weather these past few days has been gorgeous. We've got the greenhouse buttoned up partially. Everything is doing well. Let's check the numbers. It looks like 92 degrees. Wow. And just the other day it was freezing. So if you don't like the weather, wait 24 hours. And now let's go into the greenhouse. And it's going to be warm in here. Yes, it's warm. We've got 90 degrees in here, so it's about the same as outside. This is the microgreens that are no longer micro. And as you can see, they've also been food for the caterpillars, which is fine. They need to eat too. We've got the mint biofilter going like crazy. Some oyster mushrooms I threw in there just for shits and giggles to see what they would do. Not much on the mushroom front. There's really nothing happening there. I should be messing around with it a little bit more soon. Anyways, everything is going well. As you can see, we moved in my wife's plants for overwintering them. The banana tree is doing well, sprouting a new leaf. And then, of course, we've got all these other plants that are just sitting around, enjoying the sun and also the break from nature. Another thing I want to show you is I got a bonsai tree and I planted it in that middle grow bed. And this is a little bonsai tree of a fruit that I can't pronounce. It's like jacubata or something like that. It's a tree that grows grape-like fruits on the bark of the tree. And I'm hoping that this little guy in that pot will also fruit, hopefully. Anyways, that's all that I've got for you guys today. Please like, subscribe, enjoy, share, and have a wonderful, wonderful day today. Thank you.